All right, here we are. It's July 22nd, about 65, 66 degrees out. It's about, I don't know, it's a little after 6. Sitting out here in Cedar Creek Lake. Gonna try to get a great day fishing. Gonna be good weather, gonna be high, mid to high 90s today. But we're gonna try to get some good fish. Try a few things. I got my new forward-facing sonar, my Eagle Eye 9, hooked up, so we're gonna give that a try today and see if we can catch some fish. See some fish out there about 40 feet. I'm in 41 foot of water. I think those are fish anyway. Could be stumps I'm not seeing clearly. I'm learning. Yeah, I think those are fish. Right there. There's my lure. Ooh, something's chasing it. Come on. Hey, that worked. I kind of saw something chase it. They didn't hit it. They chased it. Yeah, I had some chasers. Now there's my bait. Looks like we got a bunch of ball of bait about 50 feet out there. I just came right through it. Nothing chased it. I've had a few chasers. Looks like there's a couple big fish out there on it too. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think I got one on. He's little. Where are you? Maybe I don't. I don't. Dadgummit. Must have hit a stump or something. Dadgummit. That's ketchup. Where's my bait? All right. Let's do a better cast. There we go. Yeah, I'm seeing fish there. I'm not picking up my bait till I'm like 45 feet out. I saw this one hit it. Watched him come after it and get it. Yes, on the board with a bass. Sassy bass. Yep, gonna need pliers. Gonna need pliers. Come on, baby. He's hooked in there twice. I hope I'm not moving. I think I am. Spot lock me. There we go. Atta baby. Now, get this other hook out. There we go. I got it out. Okay. Well, I have to stand back here. He's too big. All right, now we got to get a weight. Come on, baby. Hang in there. Well, that ain't gonna work. I don't think you're a giant by any stretch. We're going to say a little over about 17 and a half. Bye. I got to say, that was pretty stinking cool to see that fish come and hit it and then feel it hit it. Man, that was nice. All right, we're going to try another creek arm. Went across the lake here. 27 feet of water. Big tree in front of me. So we're gonna see what we can do. Great cast. Not. So 2 bass so far this morning. 2.5 pounder, 3.5 pounder. Pretty happy with that. Hooked something. What'd I hook? A fishing line. Someone's fishing line. What's on the end of that? Yeah, let's find. We're gonna boat flip this one. You're not that nice. You're not that nice. We will weigh him. We will weigh him. As soon as I spot lock myself. Oh, let's get a picture. Portrait. Timer. I gotta turn it around. Timer. Oh! Can't read it. 3 seconds. And gonna get a weight just because it counts. If he's over 12 inches, I don't care. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, he's 12. Okay. Eight. Yeah. Another boat flip. I gotta get spot lock. Well, he got a mouthful of that, didn't he? Woof. All right. Saw him hit it. Time to get a pick. Ugh. And a weight. Potrat. Timer. Seconds. All right. Stop it.